Hello friends. Today, we are going to talk about a mindset that can lift you from the ground to the sky. Yes, I'm talking about The Eagle's Mindset, a powerful book written by Pastor Anthony Melchizedek. The message is simple yet life-changing. If you want to fly high, you must think high. Chapter 1, The Life of an Eagle, Symbol of Inspiration. The eagle is not an ordinary bird, it's the king of the sky. When other birds hide from the storm, the eagle spreads its wings and flies above it. The storm that frightens others actually helps the eagle reach greater heights. Lesson: don't fear the storms in your life, use them to rise higher. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. Chapter 2, Focus, Eyes on the Goal. When an eagle hunts, it keeps its eyes locked on its target, ignoring everything else. It doesn't get distracted until the prey is in its claws. This teaches us that success requires laser focus. Lesson: don't let distractions steal your dreams. Stay focused on your goals, like an eagle on its prey. Chapter 3, The Power of Solitude. The eagle always flies alone, never in flocks. Because it knows, heights are not meant for everyone. True leaders often walk alone, because their vision is beyond the ordinary. Lesson: don't fear loneliness. If you feel alone, it means you're walking the path of greatness. Chapter 4, The Process of Renewal. There comes a time when an eagle's beak and feathers become old and weak. It retreats to a mountain, breaks its old beak, and removes its heavy feathers, a painful process. But after this renewal, it becomes stronger than ever and soars again. Lesson: change is painful, but it is the door to transformation. To rise again, you must be willing to let go of the old. Chapter 5, Flying High, The Power of Positivity. The eagle flies high above the clouds, far from the noise of crows and negativity. This shows that when you elevate your thoughts, negativity automatically disappears. Lesson: keep your thoughts high. Don't waste your energy on negativity, fly above it. Chapter 6, Patience and Timing. The eagle never rushes. It waits patiently for the perfect moment, and when that moment arrives, it strikes with precision. This teaches us that patience is power. Lesson: wait for the right time. When preparation meets opportunity, success is guaranteed. Chapter 7, Vision, The Power to See Far. The eagle's eyesight is extraordinary, it can see miles away. Successful people too have a long-term vision. They don't get lost in short-term failures, they look at the bigger picture. Lesson: keep a long-term vision, see beyond the present, and plan for the future. Chapter 8, Fearlessness, Courage to Face Storms. The eagle fears nothing, not storms, not heights, not challenges. It teaches us that fear only exists for those who stay low. Those who want to rise must go beyond fear. Lesson: face your fears. The door to your dreams is just behind your fears, open it and fly through. Chapter 9, Self-Belief, The Core of Success. The eagle trusts its wings, it knows they'll carry it through the storm. Likewise, you must believe in yourself. Without self-belief, no one can achieve greatness. Lesson: trust yourself. Confidence is the foundation of every victory. Chapter 10, Conclusion, Be the master of your sky. The eagle's mindset teaches us that greatness begins in the mind. Your altitude in life depends on your attitude. If you think like an eagle, you'll use challenges as your wind, focus on your goal, and rise above every storm. Final message: embrace solitude. Keep your vision high. Never fear challenges. And most importantly, trust yourself. Remember, an eagle never fights with crows, it simply flies higher. If you found this video inspiring, give it a like. Share it with your friends. And subscribe for more motivational and GK content every week. This is your friend signing off. May you always fly like an eagle, high and fearless.